Subscribe to the channel and turn on the notification bell so you never miss an update.
Assalamualaikum guys, this is Rabshan Azif and you are watching Crazy Information Technology. In today's video I am going to review Honor Note 10. So hope you enjoy our review, and if you are new on our channel, so kindly subscribe our channel Crazy Information Technology. So it's all our review of Honor Mate 10. I will explain its all thing in the detail, so kindly watch this video till end and let's the review begin. So first of all, I would like to explain its main highlight, its processor, its camera, its Android, its battery. So have a short look on it. So it comes with Android 8.1 Oreo, which is amazing, and its RAM is 6 to 8 GB. It's not confirmed, but 6 to 8 GB RAM is also available in it. So now come to its Octa-core 4 multiplied by 2.4 GHz Cortex A7 III, which is amazing. So now come to the camera. It has 16 megapixel and the other is 24 megapixel with aperture 1.8, which is amazing. So now come to battery. Battery is just great. It has 500 mAh battery, which is amazing. Come to its chipset, which is Kirin 970, which is amazing. So now I have a brief note about Honor Note 10. Honor finally revealed images of Honor Note 10 in which you can clearly find out that this phone is true and it is going to launch soon in the global market. Design of Honor Note 10 is also revealed, in which Honor Note 10 front panel is pretty clear and you can see that thin bezels are still there along with brand name engraved at the button side of Honor Note 10. Fingerprint on the back means that still they did not get the chance to put the fingerprint reader under the display. While the dual camera LED horizontally seen clearly on the back of Honor Note 10. In the latest revealed images of Honor Note 10, it is pretty clear that one of color in which this phone is going to launch is gold, while on the front side of Honor Note 10 by Honor you will get the white color, which looks awesome. Display size of Honor Note 10 is 6.95 inches, which is bringing QHD resolution and material used to build the panels in IPS, which we know this far. Honor Note 10 is speculated to come with Kirin 970 chipset, which is also used in other flagship devices of this brand. Memory department of the Honor Note 10 is consist of 120 GB built-in, while Honor Note 10 RAM is 6 GB or 8 GB, depends on your region. On the back side of the Honor Note 10, as we have already mentioned, the dual cameras are installed and main camera has dual lens of 16 megapixel and 24 megapixel with aperture f1.8, and its for front camera is single 13 megapixel with aperture 2.0, and back camera of Honor Note 10 is capable to judge things. This phone has eye proficiency to judge the things, but just taking a look at the shape of color of that thing for rendering, Honor Note 10 got the turbo GPU, which is going to draw things even more fast as compared to other technologies. So hope you enjoy our review, and if you enjoy our review, please subscribe our channel Crazy Information Technology. It will help you to get notified when we upload a new video on our channel. So for now it's ended. We will be right back with new ideas, with new technology. For now, goodbye.
Subscribe to the channel and turn on the notification bell so you never miss an update.